Hey Bears, so this week we are going to talk about solving inequalities, which is really similar to solving a one and two step equation. But in this case, with our equations we've been solving, there was one specific answer. With inequalities, there can be several different answers, but you're going to get more of a range of numbers. So if you look at the top of this slide, it says that x is going to be less than 4. So what that means is hopefully if I ask you guys what's a number that is less than 4, you could give me a few examples. We would say, okay, 3 is an option, 0 is an option, -3, -5, -500, or they are all options. So when you're solving inequalities, you are going to get a number that looks like this. So remember, less than is always kind of the smaller side is pointing towards x, greater than, the bigger side will be pointing towards x, and greater than or equal to, there'll be a line underneath, and we'll talk about all those differences throughout the lesson today. So what the inequality means is you're going to eventually solve the inequality and you'll get something that looks like x is less than 4. It may be less than, it may be greater than, this one is less than. So to put that on our number line, and I'm going to go ahead and give you guys the tools to do this, so at least you don't have to worry about it today. So you always want to start with a circle. So if it is just less than or greater than, there is no equal to. Our circle is going to be open, and we're going to put that directly on +4 because we know that x is less than -4. So then we're going to use our arrow tool. Since it is less than, we are going to move to the left. And I just made it the size of the number line. You could really make it shorter or longer as long as it starts at 4. It doesn't really matter. But this is how we would represent that inequality on a number line. So if we looked at this, 4 is not included, which means that basically 3.99999 going on forever is our first digit that would be included as an answer, all the way down to negative infinity. All of those would be possible solutions for this x value. So today we're going to work on solving inequalities, putting them on a number line, and then you guys will get some practice afterwards.